is important to learn why CoQ10 is such an important nutrient for our health. CoQ10 is what is referred to as a cofactor or coenzyme for 3 of the major enzyme systems that are essential for over 90% of energy production within the battery or furnace of the cell called the mitochondria. It is important not to confuse this coenzyme with an enzyme. Enzymes use coenzymes to accelerate a biochemical reaction. If the coenzyme, or CoQ10, is not available in adequate amount, cellular energy production is significantly decreased. CoQ10 is found in all the cells of the body. However, it is much more concentrated in the cells that require high energy needs, like the heart, immune system, and the brain. Having optimal levels of CoQ10 available is key for our alertness, focus, overall energy, cardiovascular health, and the health of our immune system. CoQ10 has also been well established as one of the most important antioxidants in our defense system against free radicals and our war against oxidative stress. The main reason is that CoQ10 is highly concentrated in the mitochondria of the cell, where this oxidative process occurs and where the highest concentration of free radicals exists. As we age, medical studies have shown us that our CoQ10 levels begin to drop significantly. Other studies have shown us that in patients who have any heart failure or weakness of their heart muscle, that their CoQ10 levels in their heart muscle are significantly low. When the heart becomes weak for various reasons, it places an increased demand on the heart muscle to produce energy, and eventually the heart actually uses up its energy or fuel source, which is basically CoQ10. This research has led to the clear understanding of how important CoQ10 is to the health of our heart, which has such high energy needs even when we don't have any heart problems. When anyone is placed on a statin drug or cholesterol-lowering drug, the medical research has shown us that these drugs not only block the production of cholesterol, but they also block the production of CoQ10. In fact, studies have shown that statin drugs deplete CoQ10 stores by over 40%. Researchers also believe that this lowering of the CoQ10 levels within the muscle cell is the main reason for all the major side effects of these statin drugs, like muscle weakness, fatigue, and muscle pain. In fact, Merck, who developed the first statin drug called Mevacor, decided to go ahead and actually apply, and they did receive a patent to put CoQ10 supplementation right in with their drug. However, even though this was a great idea, they never followed through to bring this product to the marketplace. When you consider the fact that the #1 prescribed medication throughout the world today are statin drugs, CoQ10 depletion is very common. Physicians who understand this problem almost always recommend that their patients who are taking statin drugs also be taking CoQ10 supplementation to blunt this effect and hopefully decrease the adverse drug reactions due to statin drugs. Everyone appreciates that our immune system is our greatest defender against nearly every disease. Having our immune system operating at its optimal level is essential for health. Energy production is critical for all immune cells, and therefore, having optimal CoQ10 levels is essential for a healthy immune system. Purified pharmaceutical-grade CoQ10 has been available for years and has been primarily produced in Japan. However, almost all supplemental CoQ10 in the world has been in its oxidized or ubiquinol form. In this oxidized state, CoQ10 is fat-soluble. This makes it very difficult to absorb. Even after this form of CoQ10 is absorbed into the body, it must then be converted into the active or ubiquinol form so it can be used by the body. During the past few years, a new form of supplemental CoQ10 has become available in its active or ubiquinol form. This active or reduced form of CoQ10 is less fat-soluble, making it much easier to absorb. Studies have actually shown that ubiquinol is absorbed anywhere from 4 to 10 times greater than that ubiquinone form. In fact, Dr. Peter Langshan, a cardiologist who is the head of CoQ10 International, stated, "It is my strong opinion that supplemental ubiquinol represents a major scientific advance in the 50-year history of CoQ10 research." Achieving and maintaining adequate blood levels of CoQ10 is critical for everyone, but even more so for individuals who want to maintain their energy, their heart health, brain health, and immune function. This is why I'm excited by the fact that Ariix is producing BIOPRO-Q that contains this highly absorbable form of CoQ10 called Ubiquinol. This gives those who are consuming this product the assurance that they are taking by far the absolute best quality CoQ10 available in the marketplace today. To my knowledge, there is no other network marketing company today who is using this very high quality form of CoQ10 in their products. I am proud to be working with Ariix because they are not leaving anything to chance, and they are totally committed to producing and providing the highest quality nutritional products in the marketplace today. You need to consider adding BIOPRO-Q to your nutritional supplement regime today.